Introduce features, highlight or overview summary about OSEYM Personal Blender for Shakes and Smoothies, 19 pieces set bullet blender for shakes. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Features, highlight or overview summary are include. Personal blender. This portable blender has 850 watt power and 22,000 RPM speed, so your personal blender for shakes and smoothies can expand your creativity in the kitchen. Chopping, blending, grating, pureeing and chopping becomes a quick and easy task with the OSEYM Smoothies blender, making cooking more fun. 304 stainless blades. Most smoothie blenders on the market come with a 4-leaf blade. But the OSEYM bullet blender and shake blender has a 6-leaf cross blade for stronger chopping that makes it easy to extract the nutrients you want. Of course, we also have a 2-leaf blade that you can use to grind coffee beans or spices. In one multi-function blender we think what you think, and consider all aspects of you. We provide you with abundant accessories for you, which contain 1x main unit, 1x grinding 300 Cuban pesos milliliter, 2x 500 milliliter portable bottles, 1x 2-leaf blade, 1x 6-leaf blade, 1x sealing lid, 1x steam hole lid, 2x flip lid, 1x cleaning brush, 2x rubber ring, 2x stainless steel straws and 4x foot pads. Capacity: more convenient 2 BPA free ball cups with travel lids and 1 cup with flip-top lid. Transform your healthy drink into a mixed drink to go. And provide extra portability for carrying to the office, gym, or class, in the car or in your bag. Enjoy delicious and healthy homemade drinks anywhere. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.